Today we're just in Upper Canada Village. We're at the bird sanctuary. We're just going to do some hiking and just see what kind of birds they have here. My eyes are crying from the cold. It's supposed to go to 2 degrees today. It's really windy today. So I'm hoping there's a little bit of coverage in the trails. Already there's a ton of birds. There's a bunch of little chickadees behind me flitting around. So it should be a good day. I just chugged a hot coffee, so we're ready to rock and just enjoy some nature today. I can't believe I haven't been here before. Very cool. This is absolutely gorgeous. I am enjoying myself immensely. It's definitely warmed up. Lots of birds. That wind has really picked up again. She's brisk. What a beautiful spot. I can only imagine in warmer months how many birds probably migrate here. This is like a migratory conservation area. So I've never been here. I should have been. I live in the area, but this is amazing. It's beautiful. So I have to come here all seasons and check out all the different birds. You can actually camp here. It's part of the St. Lawrence Parks. It's car camping, but there's some spots right on the St. Lawrence. It's beautiful. Never been, obviously. But yeah, this is beautiful. Well, guys, I think I'm gonna head home. I'm getting hungry. It's getting a little bit late. I just want to thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed a little bit of a birding session out here. I'll definitely be back in soon. It's a really nice place to hike. Dogs aren't really allowed on a lot of the trails, and they kind of scare the birds. So I did leave Venus at home today. I did want to bring her, but that's okay. So I think this week I'm going to get out again. So I'll probably see you guys shortly. So take care. Happy New Year, everybody. I hope everybody has a great year ahead. And thanks for watching.